These are recent Atari consoles. These are from last year by Ed Games, Flashback Gold with pedals and a more basic one. 130 games, 110 games. This is my arcade version, which has over 200 games, but not all of them are Atari. And this is Atari 2600 Plus. This is the most expensive one of all of them. And this one also plays cartridges. I recently unboxed this one. Eventually I'm gonna do these. This one plays cartridges, and it comes with a 10 games cartridge. Today we're going to unbox it. I'm gonna talk about its quirks and features. I'm gonna play it. Let's go. It comes in some semi-sealed plastic bag. The box is really nice. You can play cartridges. It's the only one of these that plays cartridges. Comes with this one. I'm gonna show you. It's for everyone. Others are age-rated. Atari. Simple, generic kind of seal over here. We see some specs over here. 256 megabyte storage and RAM as well. It plays cartridges. Atari 2600, Atari 7800. This is the back of the box with more information. Tells you which 10 games we have. UPC. Then here it tells us what it comes with. We have console, we have joystick, we have cartridge, we have HDMI cord, and we have USB power cord. No power adapter. Here it tells you what kind of power adapter you need, but basically any old phone power adapter or power adapter from any modern classic sort of thing. You need a TV or monitor with HDMI port. A projector works as well. This side of the box, we have the spectrum colors here. This is the system. It's pretty big. It's bigger than all the competition. Cartridges here, okay. It's smaller than original one, but it's definitely a lot bigger than flashbacks or new Atari by Marcade. Feels well built. Yeah, feels fine. Some quick guide. I was told that original controller is gonna work. This is the cartridge. Gives you some instructions about some switches to get to the game that you need. Seems really complicated compared to those with just built-in games. This is the cartridge. And here you can change the switches until they break. Let's see over here. Do I put it like this? Or do I put it like that? I believe it like this. Yeah. Let's see what else we have in this box. Here we have the controller. This is the connector for the controller. I was told that it will work with some old controllers like Genesis controllers. Let's see what we have here. We have controller port, another controller port. Then we have some switch. What is this switch? 16:9 or 4:3. Modern TVs are 16:9. Then we have another switch over here, which says difficulty, A or B, HDMI port, how we connect it. Another difficulty switch, okay, it's for the other player. And this is for power, USB-C for power. Then we have 4 switches here, power, TV type, color or black and white. If you want to play black and white, you can choose that. Then here we have game select. And here we have game reset. Okay. Nothing else in that box. This is the second box. It contains generic kind of HDMI cord. Looks pretty generic to me. And this USB-C to USB-A power cord. And it's sealed. Only one controller. Competition comes with two. My arcade comes with two wireless ones. And Ed Games Gold version comes with two pedal shifters as well. But if you're a lone guy who wants to play old games from childhood, you're lonely, I guess one controller is enough. You have the button, you don't have any buttons elsewhere. The build quality of the controller feels really tight, too tight for me, I think. But the build quality seems the best out of all. Although Atari feel nice with some LED lights and everything. I'm going to use it with a generic HDMI cord, Nintendo power adapter and Samsung S8 power cord. We're using here a 32-inch. We pressed reset, so now we can go get the key. Okay. Volleyball here. I have no idea how to play it. Man, I'm really too young for all these games. I look at them and it's like I'm really too young, bro. Okay, so my conclusion here. This one is the most expensive one. This one is probably the most accurate. This one is nice. Sort of kind of replica of the old one, right? You can play cartridges, this is one thing, but as is out of the box, to me it's the worst. You have only one controller and you have only 10 games. And these switches, I hate them. I don't like these switches. It's better if they had like built-in games plus the cartridge. But it is what it is. This is what we get. I don't know, man. 10 games and I can't even figure out how to play any of them. I believe hardcore Atari fans will say that this is the best, but to those who are not, like me, this is by far the worst. It's quality build, I think, better than others, but 10 games. If you already have a bunch of cartridges from the good old days, I guess this is a good one. But otherwise, I would probably pick, I don't know, either my arcade or just a Flashback Gold. One of those two. This one, no.